हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल। इस वीडियो हम देखेंगे हिस्टोरी ऑफ आईसीआर अलॉन्ग विथ इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज एंड इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्ट्स अबाउट आईसीआर। पहले देखते आईएआरआई के बारे में। इंपीरियल एग्रीकल्चरल रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट established in 1st of April 1905 in Pusa, Bihar. In 1936, IRI was shifted to Pusa Road, New Delhi due to earthquake was occurred in 1934 and the main building of IRI was heavily damaged. Now next, history of ICR. In 1926, Royal Commission on Agriculture was set up and headed by Lord Linlithgow. 1926 में रॉयल कमीशन ऑन एग्रीकल्चर वाज सेटअप और उसका हेड था लॉर्ड लिंथगो। इन 1926, आफ्टर स्टडिंग एग्रीकल्चरल कंडीशंस इन इंडिया, रॉयल कमीशन ऑन एग्रीकल्चर सबमिटेड इट्स रिपोर्ट। रॉयल कमीशन ऑन एग्रीकल्चर ने इंडिया की पूरी एग्रीकल्चर कंडीशंस पे स्टडी किया और उस पर एक रिपोर्ट सबमिट किया और उस रिपोर्ट में आईसीआर की मांग की गई थी। On 16 July 1929, ICR was set up as a registered society under Societies Registration Act 1860। 16 जुलाई 1929 में ICR को सेटअप किया गया एज रजिस्टर्ड सोसाइटी अंडर सोसाइटी रजिस्ट्रेशन एक्ट 1860। In 1946, under presidency of Joginder Singh, it was decided to change imperial to Indian. Up to 1946, ICR was as called as Imperial Council of Agricultural Research, but after 1946 it was decided to change Indian Council of Agricultural Research. The first president of ICR was Sir Muhammad Habibullah. The first DG of ICR was Dr. B.P. Pal. The first secretary of ICR was A.C.A. Haidari. Now currently present president of ICR is Narendra Singh Tomar and the present DG of ICR is Dr. Trilochan Mahapatra. Here are some interesting facts you should know. Since 1951 to 2014, India's production increased by. Since 1951 to 2014, India's food grains production increased by 5 times. Horticultural crops increased by 9.5 times. Fish production increased by 12.5 times and egg production increased by 39 times. Milk production was increased by 7.8 times. In that increasement, ICR have played a significant role. Now see some important questions about ICR. Question number first. All India Coordinated Research Projects IRC/RPS through ICR initiated by. Here option D is correct. Under the presidency of Dr. B.P. Pal, all India Coordinated Research Projects through ICR initiated. Question number second. ICR was recommended to be set up by. ICR was recommended to be set up by Royal Commission on Agriculture. Option C is correct. Question number third. Who was the first secretary of ICR? A.C.A. Haidari was the first secretary of ICR. Option C is correct. Question number 4. The Royal Commission on Agriculture was constituted in 1926 under the Viceroyalty of. Here option D is correct. The Royal Commission on Agriculture was constituted in 1926 under the Viceroyalty of Lord Linlithgow. Question number 5. The name of ICR changed to Imperial to Indian under the presidency of. The name of ICR was changed to Imperial to Indian under the presidency of Joginder Singh in 1946. Option C is correct. Question number 6. ICR is a registered society under which act? ICR is a registered society under the Societies Registration Act 1860. Option B is correct. Question number 7. ICR initiated first All India Coordinated Research Project AICRP on maize in 1957. In 1957, ICR initiated first All India Coordinated Research Project on maize? Question number 8. ICR established the first KVK in Pondicherry in ICR established the first KVK in Pondicherry in 1974. Question number 9. Lab to Land program was launched in Lab to Land program was launched in 1979. Question number 10. A policy was made to appoint an agricultural scientist as Chief Executive of ICR with the designation of Director General. Dr. B.P. Pal became the first DG of ICR in 1965. Option B is correct. In 1965, Dr. B.P. Pal became the first DG of ICR. Because of the policy was made to appoint agricultural scientist as Chief Executive of ICR with the designation of Director General. Thank you friends for watching video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.